Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. I am here for a quick flip through in my Filofax Purple Malden personal size ring planner. And I just want to show this real quick because this looks so cute together. This is the Enchanted Floral. This is going to be my everyday carry for the month of February. And I just have my little wallet insert and my clear dashboard, and then I just have like a calendar in here that I just have and some notes. So first of all, also I want to say welcome to my channel and thanks for stopping by. I am going to show you this beautiful Malden, and yes, I am back in rings. I couldn't help it because I love decorating my planner. I didn't realize how much I missed it until I got my Cocoa Daisy kit for February. So I said I'm going to use it along with my stash. Sorry, there's something sticky on my desk. But yeah, so I am going to show you a quick flip through. So I'm not going to get too detailed, but I have this cute little charm from, oh wow, 2018. And this was like one of my favorite kits. And now they no longer have Simon and Valentine kits. So now I just bring them out. At first I was like, that's okay. I'm not going to miss it. But I did. So I ordered the extra kit because Simon is so cute. So anyway, so I added them. And then I even have my pouch. And I'll show you in a minute what's in there. But I used some of these stickers already. This came in the kit. And then this came in a kit from a couple of years ago. I just have this here. I really like what it says on there. Hopefully it's not too close. So I figure I can use that in case I need to do some things, write some notes or whatever. Then I have a couple of stickers. And most of this is Cocoa Daisy. I have a lot of stash, but these are actually Planner Society stickers, so I just kind of threw those in there as well. So if I wanted some today or to do stickers to add. So I actually, for the first time, well, let me show you my dashboard. So this is a Planner Society little clear acrylic dashboard, or just cover, whatever you want to call it. And my first dashboard, or full, oh goodness, a divider, is just the calendar for the month. And then I decorated this because it's like a Paris theme, so I thought that was cute. But for the first time, I actually printed off some Peanuts Planner Co. inserts, and all this is free. Like if you join their Facebook group, they actually give you free 2020 calendars. So I just printed it off, and I like their stuff. Like their freebies are like awesome. Like I also plan that if I really like their stuff enough, I would buy their inserts. So I wanted to try it out, and it's nice that they give you these freebies to try out. So I just kind of decorated with some stickers. It's from 2 years ago. I actually cleared a sticker sheet off, and so I used some extra stickers I had in my stash from Cocoa Daisy. And then I wanted to do some stamping, so I stamped. This is just like a piece of cardstock, and then I just glued it in of Simon and Betty. I didn't want to color it. I just kept it black and white to make it simple. I'm doing very minimum decorations in here because I want it to be functional, and I need a lot of space, you know, in case I need to write or whatever. So I didn't decorate for the next couple of months. I just did for February, just something simple. And I also use this washi tape from Simply Gilded. So I'll just show you real quick. I have the box in here. It was the Jessie Park. I guess it was like a collaboration. So I bought this gorgeous washi tape. So I am trying to use my washi tape up. So I actually used it for the whole year. because I figure whatever colors I use, it'll probably have some pink, some green, or some kind of yellow green. So I did that, and I think it just adds to add some washi tape in the middle. It's really pretty. So I did that. And then my first divider, this is just a preliminary calendar I have. So whatever events may come up, I will add that in. And then this cute little card came in the extra kit, the Valentine kit with Simon and Betty. This is the paper that I used for this. This cardstock is what I use for this dashboard, or this, well, yes, this is more of a dashboard divider. So I used that. So I just cut a little piece off there. Thought it went really pretty with that. I am using up my stash once again. And then these are some digital prints. I actually fussy cut these out. I actually did some testing for Cocoa Daisy for their digital kits. So this was like, it didn't print right. So what I did, I just took this and just fussy cut it. And so it wouldn't go to waste. And I just added it in my planner. And these stickers are from past kits. And this washi tape here is from the Cocoa Daisy add-on kit for February. These cute little, this is a sticker, digital right here. The sticker that came on that one sticker sheet. This is also digital that I fussy cut. And so I just kind of popped Simon in just a little bit here and there because I wanted this to be functional. And this is, if I didn't say, this is the other printable that's from Peanuts Planner Co. And I really like this. So if I need to write some notes, jot it down. I like their setup. I like the Cocoa Daisy ones too, but this just makes it so simple. And you know, $11.50, $8.50 is kind of expensive every month when you're not using all the sheets. So it's nice to be able to just print something up for the month and just use it. Okay, this is the washi tape. And then these numbers are from my Happy Planner sticker book. That's from there. This is just a digital, one of the digital prints that come in the Cocoa Daisy subscriber. And then I added this washi tape from the month. And then this is a die cut I got from like a grab box or something. So I thought that was cute. Added that. Here's my first divider, my notes divider. This is an older tab. Like I said, I matched my papers. This paper came from last year, I believe. And then this is from this year. And then this is one of the cards that came into the pocket kit. And then decorated this here. And then these stickers came in the kits. And then it's very basic. I just have my little list section. This is like the Kiki K little notes paper. So then whatever little notes, my don't forgets. It's very simple. So this is what I will carry in my purse. And then this cute little Simon washi. And then more washi tape. So this said meeting notes. I just put some tape over and just made it notes. So that's what that is. And then this little, that's a die cut. And this is from a couple of years ago. And then this is a new, this was from my pocket kit. And then these little cute little tabs came in the planner kit. And then this is just a Mommy Lay Post-it note for notes. And then this came in past kits. And then this is from a couple of years ago. Originally, I was not going to get any more daily to-dos, but I ended up ordering the one for this year because it was really cute. So, but I decided to use these ones in my planner for this year. And then this is from another kit. This is one of those printables. And this was from last year's kit. This is some sticky notes, cute little sticky notes. Some little Filofax lined paper. This came in a kit. I believe this was the add-on kit. And then this was from a couple of years ago. I have my cute little pin gem, the little bow on it. That and my little calendar I just popped in the back. This is from the Simply Gillet box. This was one of their little mystery surprises that they added. And so that's it. Very simple, very functional, very fun. And then I could put some change here, put my cards here, whatever. But I am also going to use this, so this will go in my purse. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. And thanks so much for joining me for my flip through. And I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.